Plug in the power cord. Press the power button and wait for a few seconds for the screen to light up and enter the login screen. Input the login password to log in the system. Insert the endoscope, cystoscope in the video, into the corresponding port. When the endoscope end lights up and image is displayed on the screen, the connection is successful. Add. Enter patient's information to add patients. Only after adding patients can use the image, video function. Setting. You can choose the corresponding mode according to your needs, or you can set a custom mode. Playback. You can view saved pictures and videos. Export. If you want to output the data, you need to put the external storage device first. Insert the USB flash drive into the HDMI port. And then click the export button to export all the images/videos in the processor, or you can download the patient's images/videos individually in the patient query. Query. Select the patient you need to query. You can view the patient's information, pictures, videos, and can be deleted, exported pictures, videos. System setting. It can do language switching, and the software version, time, etc. can also be set. Increase/decrease brightness buttons can adjust the screen brightness. Press the video button to record. The screen will display the duration of the video. Press again to end the video and save. Press the photo button to freeze the image. Long press to save the image. Repress to thaw the image. The zoom in/out function allows you to zoom in and out of the image, which can zoom in up to 4 times. White balance calibration. Align the endoscope end of the lens with a white object to ensure that the imaging screen of the host displays all white. Maintaining a distance within 1 cm and press the white balance button. Mode button to quickly switch between desired modes. The 10-inch HD screen can be connected to external multimedia devices via HDMI cable to achieve picture synchronization. Insert one end of the HDMI connector into the HDMI port on the left side. You can successfully connect to the multimedia device to achieve picture synchronization.